What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Um, if you're sensitive, or you have children in the room, or you don't like bad words, go ahead and mute your volume for about 30 seconds. Today can kiss my motherfucking ass. That's all I have to say. They are absolute fucking pieces of shit today. Um, Hopefully you guys had a way better day than I did. Just seemed like I couldn't find my head from my ass today. I did. So I guess the weird part is like if we look back in the chat or during yesterday's live stream, right when this got tapped, I said, "Oh, this is our spot to hop in long," right? And I said to get out between 26 and 28. So right here. Right. So we basically banked the bottom, banked the top. Lovely. Right. And then somebody was saying, shoot, I forget who it was. I was going to say who it was, but I forget. Somebody was like, well, I want to know what the next play is. And I'm like, oh, next. Obviously, like, we're going to sell off for the next thing that I said. But I said next, we're going to drop below this, this zone. And if we regain it and come back above, that's your spot to get in again, long. And I believe on this, I said to exit at 24.50. Actually, I know I said to exit at 24.50. So right there, this. They did end up going higher, hitting this zone again, selling back off. This here surprised me. I don't even remember exactly, but like I was short when we were going up. I was long when we were going down. It was just absolute trash. Like going from like calling out levels perfectly in the overnight session to not being able to hit the side of a barn if I had to, with a shotgun. Just absolute trash today. The worst part is I was trading live. Again, I don't mind taking losses live, but I feel like I called out one winning trade and like 5 losing trades, and that's pretty sad. This was my ultimate price target for the day, 64.30, and then I had another price target at what's it called, 38, 63.38. Both got hit. Just not when I was in the trade. As far as SPY, I mean, it's really just the same thing. I was saying to watch for calls if we came to here. But where is it? They gave us a little move up, really nothing. We never hit the area that I was targeting at the top. And then I was saying if we lose this and retest it, grab puts. We lost it, retested it, and they rocketed. Anyway, the only thing that would have worked was this, and then you would have been forced to close if you weren't swinging, if you grabbed calls here. But really, just everything was a complete miss and trash, and the price action sucked, and they can kiss my butt. And yeah. All right, I'll move on now. I'm over it. Yeah, it's hard to be live on a day where this is the price action. Like it was nothing. We did basically nothing. Value area high got a little bit wider. POC shifted up a little bit. That's about it. Trying to determine if I should erase these or not. I don't think I should. Excuse me. Oh, and then also I need to be a little bit quick today. Shorty's going to be going live. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, I'm so confused. Oh, okay. I'm not confused. Wow. I'm doing SIGs, and I'm like, why am I charting on Friday? It's been a day. I'll say that. Oh, and then also for live trading today, I had a migraine, which was really fun. Yeah, Shorty will be live in roughly an hour, 55 minutes. Did I not say that? I don't know. I feel like maybe I started saying it and then I stopped talking. I don't know. All right. There's our SIGs. These levels are going to be crazy. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of these. That is our M period, right? Alrighty. Single prints up here at the top. This is like so annoying. I hate it when levels are like literally right on top of each other. Bro. All right, let's look at our fear and greed. We should be in greed still, I'm guessing. Yeah. News for tomorrow? I don't remember. Okay. Hour before the open, we have CPI. And then that's really it. Ooh. Excuse me. Ares isn't our friend anymore. He uses EMAs. So we're not talking to Ares anymore. Um, is there a way to see Delta thing for futures without TradingView? I'm pretty confused because I don't look at Delta on TradingView. And if you don't have TradingView, you should have it. Yeah. Little doji candle. Volume's pretty low. Not terribly low, but it's low relative to bigger days. Volume's decreasing day over day as price is pushing higher, right? I'm still expecting new all-time highs. Let me pull up my other chart here. Excuse me. So when I have these charts open, I can't see your chat, just FYI. But error is this is what you want for Delta. I mean, I'm sure there's other ways to look at Delta, but this is how I look at Delta. I don't know of any other ways. This here is my Delta for the current month. Or I can change it to whatever I want, but for the current month. And then I also have, well, not on this candlestick pattern, but here I would have the Delta at the top of each candle. Might have a buy side imbalance here. Sorry, I'm checking for imbalances really quick. Nothing really significant. This is kind of a bummer here because I know if we grab this volume cluster here, I didn't have it marked today, but if we had it marked, look at that. I have to figure out what's important here. All right. 6384 to 6388. 84 to 88. $406 to $409. $26 to $29. $400 to $401. All right, let me close this so I can see chat again. Guess let's start with this. Pancho, because I have it set to just show $1 increments. Yes, David. Spike bases from the L period. Whoa. Alrighty. This is pretty questionable here. Sorry, I need to load my charts back up. I'm pretty sure this is like a ton of orders. I need to make sure. Hey, what's up, Scott Dog? Ah, this is pretty big. I don't want 5 points though. Stupid. There we go. All right, so let me close this again. As of right now, this yellow zone, we don't know what it is. We don't know if those are buyers or sellers. Um, we need a full body 30-minute candle to either open and close below or open and close above. If we get a full body 30-minute candle above, these are buyers on a retest. I would be scared to take calls because we have a really strong resistance above. If we get a full body 30-minute candle below on a retest, we would want to grab puts and take it down to second sig / spike. If we lose this, obviously, then a retest of third sig / our buy side HVN, we should see downside all the way to the previous week value area high. I'm not really happy about today's chart. This is a tough one to read. Wouldn't be surprised if we get more shenanigans tomorrow. I'm going to go post this in Keenan's. If you guys have questions, now would be the time. That's funny, Roberto, sorry. I don't know. It was a combination of things. Like, I had a migraine. I wasn't feeling good. I probably shouldn't have been trading live. And then just a crappy day. So, definitely mess with me emotionally. %, rule from where? I mean, they could push this up overnight and then do the 80% to the downside. You're saying 80% to the upside? We have to get through this first. But if they come up here, reject, retest, then, that could be your entry. But just know this is a big level they have to get through. Okay? Alrighty, everybody. With that said, much love, much respect. We will see you all tomorrow. Peace out. Bye. Oh, and Shorty will be live in 30 minutes. See you guys there.